And now we have reached the function of the indirect object. This function is going to be as simple as the previous one, as long as you know what is an indirect object. How do you find it? You can find an indirect object, whatever it is, whether it is a word or a phrase or whatever, just by asking some questions: to whom, for what, to what, etc. And these indirect objects, they follow always action verbs, not linking verbs. And these action verbs, which are totally different from linking verbs, they are dynamic and they are dealing with an activity. They are called ditransitive verbs. So in the previous section, I covered transitive verbs, which are used in connection with direct object. When it comes to indirect object, we are going to deal with verbs, type of verbs that are called ditransitive verbs. What is a ditransitive verb? A ditransitive verb is like in this one here. She gave behind the desk a good scrub. So she gave behind the desk a good scrub. A ditransitive verb is a type of verb that requires two objects. Like here, she gave a good scrub. Good scrub means a good clean. To what? To this place, behind the desk. So behind the desk is my prepositional phrase. This is the type. But if I want to know its function, it is functioning here as indirect object of the verb gave. She should give under his roof some thought. It's again the same verb give, which is ditransitive. And what is ditransitive verb? It's a verb that requires two objects, one direct and the other indirect. So he should give what? He should give some thought. This is direct object. To what? Under his roof. He should give some thought to this place, under his roof. This is a prepositional phrase as a type, but as a function, it's an indirect object. Now we move on to a second point, which is object, not direct, not indirect, but it's an object complement. You have here the word complement, so it's going to complement an object. Remember before we have seen the subject complement. Well, the object complement is going to be a function here for prepositional phrases, and it is going to describe or give information about a direct object. So here again, you have here two objects. The director announced what? He announced a program. So a program, what is its function? It's a direct object. If I want to ask you what is its type, a program, it's a noun phrase because this is noun and this is a determiner, pre-modifier. So this is a noun phrase. What is its function? It is functioning here as direct object. The director announced what? A program. So this is the function of direct object. Along the same terms, along here is a preposition. Okay, here this is my noun phrase, which is the object of this preposition. So I call this a prepositional phrase, all of this, the preposition plus the noun phrase. The and same are pre-modifiers, same is adjective, the is the determiner, and there are modifying terms. All of this is called a prepositional phrase. So this is its type. What is its function? The director announced a program along the same terms. The prepositional phrase here, along the same terms, is helping the program to be described, to be known, to be identified. So you know which program I am talking about. I'm talking about the program which is along, and I am using which is because I want to identify this program, which is along the same terms. So this is the function of object complement. The second example, the manager named the most organized group in the company. The manager named the most organized group in the company. All right, this is my prepositional phrase. This is my subject, the manager. Named is my verb. So the manager named who? The most organized group. So this is my direct object. In the company, here is my prepositional phrase. What does it do? Does it help me to understand anything? Yes, it does. It helps me to understand which group I'm talking about. I'm talking about a group in a class. Am I talking about a group in society? No, I'm talking precisely about the most organized group in the company. So in the company is functioning as object complement. It complements this object here, right? This is a function, direct object. But what is its type? Its type is a noun phrase. This is the head, group, organized, the most are all pre-modifiers. I declare my best time of the year during the spring. I declare what? I declare my best time of the year. This is my direct object. During the spring. During the spring here is my prepositional phrase. This is my preposition during the spring. And here, this is the type of the prepositional phrase. What is its function? Its function again is an object complement. It complements this object. I declare what? I declare my best time of the year. If I want to ask you what is its type, this is a noun phrase. Where is the head? The head is year. What is this and this and this and this and this? These are all pre-modifiers of the head year. So this is my noun phrase. Its type is direct object. This is my prepositional phrase as type, and it is here to complement this object. That's for now.